Hi guys, good afternoon. Oh my god, welcome back to my channel guys, and my name is Timidayo Jaya. So today I wouldn't say I've been so lazy because I did what I was supposed to do. I didn't just do one thing, and that's because I really noticed my body needs some rest, so I took out time to sleep. So I just woke up now. I'm going to pick the kids. I was supposed to film makeup tutorial for beginners, but then I was really tired. Like when I got back from dropping the kids in school this morning, I cleaned the kitchen and I was going to search the house to check what's I was supposed to check the house to check what Christmas decoration I'll be needing, because as you guys know, it's almost Christmas and I love decorating. So I don't know if you guys can see me clearly with this sun. I just hope so. But God, so then I did that. So out of everything on my to-do list, it was just the makeup that I didn't do, and that's fine. And I've started editing my previous videos, so hopefully I do the makeup tutorial tomorrow. All right guys, so I'm going to pick the kids now. Come with me. Mommy's vlogging today.
Hello.
Hey baby.
Hi.
Okay, let's go. So I just picked the kids. I just picked the kids now. I need to get to the store. I'm sure they won't like it. Yeah, did you hear? You just said no. I need to get to the store.
I need to go home now.
I know, please.
I need to use the washroom.
You need to use the washroom. Oh my god, Boomsy. Go use the washroom now in school, please, now.
I can.
Guys, can you imagine that my son said he's joking?
Alex. Hi everybody.
What do you have?
I have a little Lego toy in my hand.
Okay. Alright guys, so let's go to the store together. Hi guys.
Hi everybody. Boo. Hi everybody. So we turned to surprise you guys. And today,
so first we're going to where my mom wants to go for a shop. Then me and AJ get only one thing to get at Toys R Us.
yeah, but one thing, if you guys didn't watch my mom's channel about her cooking something super good, you must watch it.
Yeah, her food is really delicious.
Yeah, and I just
so we're on our way to first where my mom wants to get her stuff. Then after that, we're going to Toys R Us to get one thing that me and AJ each wants.
I'm not going to Toys R Us, guys. So.
but when our mom and I go to Toys R Us, so you have to think about a different shop to go to get your toy.
I'm not sure I'm going to Toys R Us,
Okay.
but I have something exciting for you guys.
What is it?
I want it to be a
maybe
surprise,
something.
so don't tell me. Don't tell. I want it to be a surprise for videos too.
What?
Us too.
What? You really have to. Okay, I'll wait.
But if you just really want to know it, then we might. But if you guys can see, Mom, can you just get the camera closer so they can see the toy that I'm trying to show them? So if you
And
guys
this
can,
is the second one, which is my creation out of Lego. The drone.
if you guys didn't watch our channel when we're doing the video making our pancake, you must watch it.
Yeah. It's really, the pancake looks really
So what's your channel name?
Rumsey and AJ.
Yeah.
Do you want to spell it?
Yeah. RUMZY space ANDAJ ...
Good job. But do you have ... there?
Maybe sometimes I see diner names sometimes.
Oh, okay.
But if
Yeah,
you
that's
look,
because it's an abbreviation of a
look
name. So
everybody can see some Christmas stuff
Yeah.
So, hello everybody. We just got the money. We just got it from the cow
In our mom's car.
Yeah, and look, you know something cool about this video? We're gonna video everything here, but and this thing is super cool. See guys? And look, Mommy, can you flip it over to the
Ice container.
Let's
And you
just
put
look.
water in it and you
And
put
you
it in
don't
the
touch
freezer.
anything. Remember, there is coronavirus.
So, Mom, can you show us everything that is in the shop, please, Mom?
Okay, I'm saying just touch this.
Just
Around
save
the
your things for the zero to go in. We have some lunch sticks for lunch stick. Lunch stick. And we have bowls.
Like this.
Yeah, we have.
Hi guys.
This is only
We're-
$2. I'm not like getting it.
Yeah, we're going to get
$3.
something without $25. With me and AJ is $25, and it's hard to see what we want.
Yeah. So look at me. Look at the coin I have. If you guys can see, one is a face, one is a moose face.
You mean a?
And Moosey's coins are the same as mine, but it's
Because-
different money.
No, it's mine is 25 cents as yours.
Yeah, but I just have to think there's different.
Okay, Jay, guys, we're back home. And AJ came to open the door for me. She's such a sweet dolly. Are you sweet? I need to get the stuff from the car.
Oh, I thought it was locked anyway.
No, since daddy's home, it's not locked.
I left my dinosaur and my other dinosaur here. Sorry. So that made you hit something. Oh. What? Mommy,
I'm gonna drop the thing.
where is the surprise?
Okay, so the surprise is plantain chips. Mommy's gonna make plantain chips for you guys. I hope they like it. Let's see that. So you guys are not excited about my my surprise. I said I'm making plantain chips.
I said that. Well, is the surprise? No, what was it?
Yeah, so that's the surprise. The surprise is I'm making you guys plantain chips. Oh my god, these guys are not excited at all.
I'm so excited.
You're not. Guys, I bought a box of plantain with my friend, but she hasn't come to take hers. And I've been thinking, me that I love plantain, what can we have? I just thought of, okay, let me do plantain chips. So I'll mix it. Those are partially ripe and the unripe ones. Oh.
I'm not sure what my mom is cooking. So what are we cooking today, Mom?
Plantain chips. But what do you guys want for lunch? I brought out beans
Burgers.
and yam. No burgers. You have burgers tomorrow.
No.
I'm using both the unripe and the ripe plantain, so it gives it some sweetness. This is always very hard to peel. I mean the unripe one. Seems easy.
Mommy, can I help you with something?
What do you want to help me with?
I want to help you with like something like this.
Okay.
But then, don't.
Have you washed your hands?
Look.
You know that's what you're supposed to do. Okay, so did you wash your hands?
Mommy, can
Yeah, wash your hands.
you help me wash my hands, Mommy, please?
Mom's will help you.
Mommy, I'm doing a video. Help me, Mommy, peel off this banana, please.
Okay, that's fine. So,
No, you want to do that one, Mommy?
I know.
Then I'm going to do this.
Just I want to peel everything first. Then I'm going to slice it and fry it. Very simple. A good snacks for the kids, for the whole family.
So let me try. This is super hard. Where's that peel thing that I saw? Like that thing to peel this.
No, you can't peel it. I thought Daddy gave you some assignment to do.
Yes, he gave me.
Have you finished it?
Yeah, it was super.
Super easy. Wow.
Oh, sorry about that. If I splash water, you gross. I don't really like doing this that much, but I like it so much because it makes
Angel, why are you stressing yourself so much?
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I just
Even
like.
mommy find it a bit difficult to peel.
My hand is like aching me, so I just do this to check it out.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, the banana peel thing. I didn't know what that thing is called.
Don't worry, just leave it out. Do it.
How to do it?
You're gonna make a mess.
Oh.
Every day.
Ew, but what is this big stringy thingy? I want to make a mess. It's like so hard for kids to do things.
Yeah.
Because when they get older, it becomes difficult. Because you might miss your parents.
She was very good.
And my mom is missing her parents. I just think so. Because I would have missed you guys if I...
Sorry. Thank you. That's the last one. So let me just do it. AJ, thank you. Thank you.
No, I want to do...
Mommy little helper. Go wash your hand. Maybe you should get some water to drink.
No, I don't feel it.
Let me guys know when you're hungry. There's beans. This is just a snack. I'm gonna use this side. No, AJ, you can't do it. So we're gonna salt it.
Can I help you with that?
That's okay. Good job, AJ. So easy peasy. Then we need to fry it now. Let me do that.
What is that?
Just take a little of
Okay.
Chips with it. I don't want. I want just something with it. Mommy.
Guys, I just fried the first batch of our plantain chips.
As with my this little dungeon when I first met it on McDonald's.
This is so yummy. Yes?
No,
You don't want this?
I don't want this.
Is this the only thing you want?
Yes. I want, but we have chips with it. Mommy, did you make the chips yet?
Want to make chips? Just gonna fry more. Guys, can you see?
Yes.
Now they finished the first batch and they are waiting for the next batch. But when I told them I was going to make chips, they were not surprised because they both wanted toys. You have to be careful, it's very hot. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed making the plantain chips with me. Excuse me, I was supposed to add pepper to it, but the kids love it so much. And
I love pepper.
yes, he loves pepper, but AJ doesn't love pepper. But then you guys have almost finished it. Maybe the little one I took, I have in the bowl. Maybe I can sprinkle pepper on that. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to it. And you can share with friends and family as well. And remember to click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop new videos. Till next time, bye.